Good morning. Today we are starting our next topic Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. It is exercise 5.8 which contains only two theorems, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. We have to see what is the statement of Rolle's theorem. These two topics, Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem, you have to solve according to statement one by one. Each and every question should be solved according to statement, then only you will get full marks. What is the statement? If f of x is a real function defined in a closed interval AB, in each and every question, along with question, you will be getting interval. F of x is a real valued function defined in the closed interval AB. This is the symbol of AB. If you are writing like this is closed interval. And if you are writing like this is open interval. This is closed and this is open interval. So, what are the 3 points of this Rolle's theorem? Fx is continuous in the closed interval AB. वो फंक्शन इस इंटरवल में कंटिन्यूस होना चाहिए. Second point is f of x is differentiable in the open interval AB. And third point is f of a equal to f of b. If this given function satisfying all three conditions, then there exists, this is the symbol of there exists, ulta e. You know, this is e. If we write like this is called there exists. अगर ये तीनों कंडीशन फुलफिल होती है तो एटलीस्ट वन वैल्यू c इस ओपन इंटरवल में होनी चाहिए, जिसको आप कैसे प्राप्त करेंगे? such that f dash c equal to 0. This is very simple, and whenever you do a question based on it, you have to solve according to statement. You have to write point wise. Okay, now based on it, I am doing first question of 5.8. Question is verify Rolle's theorem for the polynomial f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and closed interval given is minus 4 2. This is A, this is B. So what should be first point? Since f of x is being a polynomial, and we have done one theorem, each polynomial is continuous. Since f of x is being polynomial, hence f of x is continuous in the closed interval minus 4 2. आपको इसमें केवल उसका कैरेक्टर बताना है, ना कि ग्राफ बनाना है, ना ही कंटिन्यूटी टेस्ट करनी है. आपको उस फंक्शन का कैरेक्टर बताना है कि वो पॉलिनोमियल है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक है तो कौन सा है, लॉगरिथमिक है, उसका नाम यहाँ पे आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. यू नीड नॉट टू प्रूव दैट बाय मेकिंग ग्राफ, continuity or using formula. Simple write character. It is polynomial, is continuous in the closed interval minus 4 2. And second point is f of x is differentiable. So first of all you have to show here what is f of x, x square plus 2x minus 8. What is f dash x? It is 2x plus 2. Therefore we can say that f of x is differentiable in the open interval minus 4 2. Differentiable in the open interval. Continuity in the closed interval. Remember that. Very important to keep this thing in mind. In first point continuity, you have to take closed interval. For second point, open interval. And what is the third point of Rolle's theorem? F of a equal to f of b. Here a is minus 4 and b is 2. So we'll find f of minus 4 and f of 2. F of minus 4 is minus 4 square plus 2 times minus 4 minus 8. So this is 16 minus 8 minus 8, it is 0. And f of 2, this is 2 square plus 2 into 2. How you are getting f of minus 4 and f of 2? By putting value of x in given function. So this is 8 minus 8, 0. Both are equal. F of minus 4 equal to f of 2. As I told you, when all three situations are fulfilled, you can write then there exists. Then there exists. तो वहां पर एक वैल्यू ये लिख सकते हैं, सिंबल बना सकते हैं Then there exists a real value C. A real value C वो किस में होनी चाहिए? C belongs to -4 to open interval होनी चाहिए such that मतलब इस इंटरवल में ओपन इंटरवल में आपको C की वैल्यू मिलेगी f dash C equal to 0. What is f dash x? It is 2x plus 2. So f dash C will be 2C plus 2 equal to 0. So 2C equal to -2, C equal to -1, and we know that this -1 is between -4 and +2. Means -1 belongs to open interval -4 to इसके बीच में -1, -4 और 2 के बीच में कहीं ना कहीं आती है. So all 3 points, all 3 conditions are verified. So we can say that hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Rolle's theorem is verified. Verified. आपको इस रोल्स थ्योरम और मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम को केवल उसके स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग पॉइंट वाइज एक्सप्लेन करना है. I have seen some of the students directly they write fx is continuous and differentiable. No, you have to show why it is continuous, why it is differentiable. You have to show differentiation. Thereafter use the condition of third. F of a equal to f of b. All 3 points are satisfied. Then we can definitely there will be a value of c in the open interval -4 to एक रियल वैल्यू जरूर आपको मिलेगी इस ओपन इंटरवल में. I have explained what is Rolle's theorem, statement and one question already I have explained. Now we are going to do mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. In short, we call it MVT. What is the difference between Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem? Only third point is different, and getting value of C is different. From this, if f of x to second point differentiable in the open interval AB, no change at all. You have to change third point. F of A is not equal to f of B, then there exists at least real value C in the open interval AB such that f dash C equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. Only this much is change. In Rolle's theorem, f of A equal to f of B. What will happen if f of A and f of B are equal? Suppose f of A is 5, f of B is 5, 5 minus 5, 0. F dash C equal to 0, Rolle's theorem, the mean value theorem will become Rolle's theorem. This is the difference. So that's why f of A should not equal to f of B. So otherwise, from the statement to second point, no change at all. Third point, f of A is not equal to f of B, and for C, in Rolle's theorem we were getting f dash C equal to 0, and here we are getting f dash C equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A, and the C should be in the open interval AB. So based on it, we are doing fifth question. Verify mean value theorem. If f of x is x cube minus 5x square minus 3x in the interval AB where A is 1 and B is 3, means closed interval 1, 3 is given. So first point is what? Since f of x is being a polynomial, here also f of x is polynomial. Therefore, f of x is continuous in closed interval 1, 4, 1, 3. A is 1 and B is 3. And second point is f of x is what? X cube minus 5x square minus 3x. Then f dash x would be 3x square minus 10x minus 3. Therefore, f of x is differentiable. We can differentiate. Differentiable in the open interval 1, 3. Now we'll find f of 1, f of 3, and they should not equal. What is f of 1? It is 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1. 1 minus 5 minus 3 minus 7. 1 minus 8 minus 7. And f of 3, it is 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3. 27 minus 9 5s are 45 minus 9. So this is 27 minus 54. This is minus 27. Okay. Now f of 1 is not equal to f of 3. This should not be equal. Then there exists, you can add this symbol or you can add sentence, a real value c that c belongs to, c should belongs, open interval 1 3, such that what should be the formula? F dash c equal to f of 3 minus f of 1 upon 3 minus 1. Formula is f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. What is f of 3? It is minus 27. F of 1, it is minus 7, will become plus 7. And upon b minus a, 3 minus 1. So f dash c is what? F dash x is 3x square minus 10x minus 3. F dash c will become 3c square minus 10c minus 3, and this side, this is 20 minus 20 upon 2. Minus 20 upon 2 minus 10. So this is 3c square minus 10c minus 3 plus 10 equal to 0. 3c square minus 10c plus 7 equal to 0. We can split it. This is what? 3c square minus 3c minus 10c plus 7 equal to 0. 3c common, c minus 1 minus 3c minus 7c. Minus 7 common, c minus 1 equal to 0. So c minus 1 and 3c minus 7 equal to 0. From here we are getting c1 and c 7 upon 3. 1 does not belongs to open interval 1 3, but c equal to 7 upon 3. This belongs to open interval 1 3. 7 upon 3 की वैल्यू 1 से ज़्यादा और 3 से कम होती है. तो वैल्यू ऑफ c, this is the value of c. Therefore, or we can say 7 upon 3 belongs to open interval 1 3. Therefore, MVT is verified. Mean value theorem is verified. So this is the way to do Rose-Lerner mean value theorem, same as statement.